At Essential Energy, we're empowering communities. So what does that mean for our people and customers? As renewable and sustainable energy solutions increase, we need to be ready to respond to support these changes. Therefore, we're changing the way we do business. And that's exciting. We're working on creating the essential energy of the future. More flexible, efficient, resilient, and technologically enabled. Our people are here, here, and here. And therefore, we understand in these times of changing climate just how important affordable and reliable electricity is. Communities depend on us. And we are here to deliver. It's an amazing time to be a part of the energy industry. And you too could help shape that.